Hi everyone, my name is Dana Isabel Marcelino, and now my topic is about business communication. Observation type during a meeting. We have three main type of observation during a meeting. First is direct observation, second participant observation, and third is indirect observation. Direct observation. This means that the observer watches the meeting while it is happening. It helps us to see the real actions and event directly. For example, watching a class meeting and write notes while students discuss. Second, participant observation. The observer also joined the meeting as a part of the group. This helps understand better, but it might change how others behave. For example, joining a group project meeting will also observe how members share their ideas. The third one is indirect observation. This means that the observer check the record, notes, or a report after the meeting. It is helpful when the observer cannot be there in the present. For example, reading a minute of a meeting to know what has happened. Format of meeting document. First, you have the heading. It talks about the title of document like date, time, or place. Second, list of participants. It talks about the name of people attended and those absent. Agenda, topic or a issue planned to be discussed in the meeting. Discussion or the body. It talks about what was talked about for each agenda. Decision or resolution. It talks about the agreement, actions, or resolution decided to the meeting. Next, we have next meeting details. It includes the date, time, or place of the next meeting. Last is the signature. It's signed by the secretary or a person responsible for the recording. This is an example of meeting document. You can see here the example also of the agenda and the minutes of the meeting. Example of sample memorandum. Sample memorandum is a short written notice that gives important information or reminder in school or work. It is important to study because it teaches us the right way to write formal message. It also helps me or us to prepare for the future task where we need to make clear and professional document. That's all everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless.